Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Let me tap on the dialer, go to contacts, and find the contact which you'd like to block, and then tap on it. Now we have to tap on more, so this three dots icon. And here we've got the option block contact. So just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and as you can see here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. We can of course unblock it the same way, so tap on more and tap on unblock contact. But let me leave it like this. Now I'll show you a second way of blocking the number with the usage of your blacklist actually. So let's tap on this three dots icon here, tap on settings, and go to block numbers. And here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contact. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here we can also tap on recent or go to the contacts, tap on it. And now we can mark a lot of numbers which we want to block. So as you can see, also we've got that kind of option, but we can also tap on add a phone number, and here and here and here we can enter the number which we would like to block. So obviously you can use a regular keyboard or right here, or you can just for example enter 5387110, okay, without minus, I know, and 5. Okay, and then tap on this plus icon next to it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will not receive calls or messages. At the top you've got also the option block calls from unknown numbers, so you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. It's completely up to you. And if you wish to unblock the number, simply tap on this minus icon next to it, and it will be immediately removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.